Hi friends, and welcome back to the Random YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can disable the system restore program within Windows. So I'll be honest, it is almost a pretty useless program within Windows 10. I mean, it used to be good in earlier Windows versions like Windows XP and Windows 7, but I don't know what they did to it. If you turn it on and after a couple of days, months, you have something wrong with your PC, you try to restore it to an earlier day, it after taking a lot of time, in the end it will say it was unable to restore your system. So what good it is? I will recommend using rollback RX instead, or any other backup utility to backup your system, or to later roll it back to some other date. But I will recommend you turn this off as soon as you can, because it will either slow your PC down for no reason, and it will also take some space in your Windows installation drive. In my case, that is C drive. So to disable the Windows System Restore, you can click the start button and start typing recovery. From here, select recovery and choose configure system restore. You can either turn it on different drives or turn it off by selecting the drive which says on, protection is on. Click configure and click disable system protection. You see that was using 3.38 GB, which was 5.93 GB, and which was 5% of my C drive. You can also delete all restore points for this drive which system restore tried to create, and click the delete and click continue. And trust me, this will save a lot of space in your C drive when you turn it off and delete all the restore points. So finally, this has been disabled on C drive, but if you have turned it on another drive, you can do the same by going to the configure and click disable system restore. Let me just show you the software I was talking about, and the name of that is rollback RX. Even though that's a paid software, but trust me, this is very good. So hope I helped you somehow in this video. If I did, make sure you subscribe to the Random YouTube channel.